Creating a QR code for Google Maps in Unicode is a simple yet powerful way to help your audience easily find locations with a quick scan. If you've been wondering how to create one, stick with me, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it with Unicode and why you might want to consider some alternatives for better results in the long run. So first, let's talk about what Unicode is. It's a handy tool for generating QR codes quickly. But here's the thing, while it's great for creating basic QR codes, the software does have some limitations, especially if you need something a little more robust for business or marketing use. Next thing, let's jump into creating the QR code for Google Maps in Unicode. First, open Unicode and select the QR code option. Then, you'll need to input the URL of the Google Maps location you want the QR code to link to. If you don't know how to get that, go to Google Maps, find your location, click the Share button, and copy the link. After that, paste the URL into Unicode's input field. Now, you can customize your QR code, adjust colors, or add a logo if you want. Once you're happy with how it looks, hit the Generate button, and bam, you've got your QR code ready to use. The fourth thing to keep in mind with Unicode is that while it's fast and simple, it doesn't offer much flexibility for tracking or advanced customization. If you're a business owner, this might leave you wanting more features down the line. Another thing to consider is the user interface. Unicode is straightforward, but it lacks some of the polish and advanced features you might expect in some of its competitors. If you need something that looks a bit more professional or has analytics built in to track how your QR codes are performing, Unicode may not be your best bet. Now, before you think that this is the end of the road, here's where it gets interesting. While Unicode is decent for basic tasks, there are alternatives that offer more advanced features. Some of these QR code creators let you add dynamic content, track scans, and integrate with your marketing tools seamlessly. The software I recommend for creating a QR code for Google Maps, along with added features, is Competitor Name. With Competitor Name, you get not only the ability to make simple QR codes, but also powerful features like dynamic QR codes, detailed analytics, and more. This can really help if you're trying to take your marketing to the next level. And here's the best part. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial for Competitor Name, and trust me, you won't want to miss out on this. It's a limited time offer only available to our viewers, and it's perfect for people who need more than just a basic QR code generator. Plus, we've added some other amazing alternatives that are better suited for the goal mentioned in this video, all with free trials as well. So, if you want to take advantage of the best deals on the market for QR code generators, click the link below to get your exclusive benefits now.